What if I told you that your credit card is not just for spending, it can actually make you money? Most people swipe their cards without a second thought, but the wealthy use credit cards as a wealth-building tool. Money bag. In this video, I'll reveal exactly how millionaires leverage credit cards to earn cash, get free travel, build passive income, and even multiply their net worth without going into debt. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll be sharing the #1 most powerful strategy that can turn your credit card into a money-making machine. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. Part 1. The millionaire mindset on credit cards. Most people fear credit cards because they associate them with debt. But the wealthy, they see credit as a tool to increase wealth. Instead of using their own money, they use the bank's money, interest-free. They never pay interest because they pay off their balance in full every month. They maximize cashback and rewards, turning every purchase into free money. They build credit strategically to access business loans, real estate, and bigger investments. If you're still using your debit card for everything, you're missing out on thousands of dollars in free perks. Let's break down the exact ways you can start making money with your credit card today. Part 2. The power of cashback cards. Light bulb. Here's a fact. If you spend $1,000 per month on regular purchases and your credit card offers 5% cashback, that's $600 per year for doing nothing. But millionaires don't stop there. They use multiple credit cards for different spending categories. Groceries, 5% cashback. Gas and travel, 4% cashback. Dining out and entertainment, 3% cashback. All other purchases, 2% cashback. By stacking multiple cards, they maximize their earnings, sometimes earning thousands of dollars in cashback every year. And the best part? It's completely tax-free. Drop a comment below if you already use cashback cards, or if you want me to review the best ones. Part 3. Travel for free with credit card points. Want free flights, 5-star hotels, and VIP airport lounges without spending extra money? This is how millionaires travel the world for free. Travel rewards cards give you massive sign-up bonuses, often worth $500 to $1,000 in free travel, just for opening an account and meeting the spending requirements. Example, if a card offers 100,000 points after spending $3,000 in 3 months, that's enough for round-trip flights to Europe, without paying a dime. Stack this with credit card perks, like free hotel stays, airport lounge access, priority boarding and seat upgrades, travel insurance and rental car protection. Imagine flying business class and staying in a 5-star hotel, for free, just by using credit cards smartly. If that sounds good, type free travel in the comments. Part 4. Making passive income using credit cards. Here's where things get really exciting. You can actually use credit cards to generate passive income without spending a dime of your own money. 1. 0% APR hack. Many credit cards offer 0% interest for 12 to 18 months. The wealthy use this to borrow money for free and invest it into stocks, crypto, real estate, high-yield savings. Instead of paying interest, they flip the borrowed money into profit and pay it back before interest kicks in. 2. Reselling strategy. Many cards offer bonus points for shopping. Some people use these perks to buy products at a discount, resell them online, and keep the profit. Light bulb example, a credit card offers 5x points at Best Buy. You buy the latest iPhone, resell it on eBay at full price, and keep the points, turning it into free money. Part 5. Credit card churning, the millionaire strategy. Light bulb. Did you know that banks will pay you to sign up for new credit cards? Millionaires take full advantage of this. Credit card churning is the strategy of signing up for multiple high-bonus credit cards, using the perks, and then moving on to the next one. Example. You open 5 travel credit cards in a year, each with a 100,000 point sign-up bonus. That's 500,000 points, worth over $5,000 in free travel. If done right, churning doesn't hurt your credit score, as long as you pay on time and manage your accounts wisely. But be careful. Banks are cracking down on this, so you need to follow the right strategies. Want a step-by-step guide? Drop churning guide in the comments. Part 6. The #1 credit card mistake to avoid. If you don't do this one thing, all of these strategies will backfire. Never carry a balance. If you don't pay your credit card bill in full every month, you'll pay massive interest, and all your cashback, points, and rewards will be worthless. Think of it this way: would you take out a loan at 25% interest just to get 5% cashback? Of course not. Always pay your bill on time and in full. Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. Now you know exactly how millionaires use credit cards to make money. But here's the real question: which of these strategies will you start using today? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more money-making hacks. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the next wealth-building strategy. Want me to review the best credit cards for beginners? Comment credit cards below. See you in the next video.